Hello everyone, welcome to you all in our new video. The topic of our video is about how we can use Pika Labs AI to create our photos into animated clips. So let's get into it. First of all, I will go to the Google and here I will write Pika Labs animate photo, and here you will get multiple website, but the accurate one I will show you the accurate one. Here is Pika Lab. It's something like Pika Labs Polo, and here you will get this Pika AI video generator or image to video as well. So here you can upload your images and it will transform them into a video. So I will just select images here. Let's see if drag and drop feature works here. So I will just try to add these photos. If we can add multiple photos, so yes, we can add only one photo at a time. So this is the photo that I have added. Now I will click on OK button, and I need to continue with my Google account, and now it will animate our photos into video. So first we need to select our Google account in order to create our photo into video. So our account has been created and we have also uploaded picture. So finally our photo has been uploaded. Now we will click on create button and it will use our image to create a video. Okay, so the model that it's using is Pika 2.2. okay, you can also select the different one. So I will go with the default one, and now I will click on create button and it will start creating a video using one of our photos. Okay, so it's asking for if you want to use any of the package, so I will just cross it because we want to use a free version. But before proceeding, we have to write our prompt. Let's see, make this man moving over the road. Okay, so that's the command prompt that we have added. You can, it's a optional one. Okay, so the video length we are going to use for the 5 second, and these are the setting that I have used up to till now. And let's see for the advanced setting, if we have, you can select the video quality or you can also check the speed. And right after doing all of this, you just need to click on the create button in order to create your video. So here I have just changed the model version Polo 1.6 because it requires only 10 credits. The previous one requires 30 credits. So I have changed it to Polo 1.6. Okay, so now I'll just click on this create button and it will start processing. So I will show you the results. It has started processing and it has done 25%. And once the 100% reached out, I will show you the results. So finally we have got this video. I have just rechecked it. It looks good, but it's not exactly the prompt. But because we haven't given it a proper prompt, we have just make this man moving over the road. So he's just moving, but it's not showing that he's moving over the road. But you can see that the video quality and the character consistency is very, very unique, and it's 100% matching. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.